Hey everybody, it's Mr. Terry here. Just gonna talk about today's assignment and show you really quickly how to use Google Jamboard. Your assignment today is to go on a tour of your knowledge about the rock cycle and the layers of the earth and things like that. And I have links here which you are going to click on and add to, sort of like a collaboration board, and all of you are going to add to this. So without further ado, let me show you how this works. Let's say we want to add to the Earth's core. So you're going to click this link, and it's going to take you to a collaboration board that's called Google Jamboard. And it's if you know how to use a Google slide, then you'll have no problem using this. So your instructions for this part are to draw or write something you know about the Earth's core. Well, I could write. And I could, if I want to write about it, I could write, and I'd click on the little text box here, and that's going to pop up. And the thing that I would write that I know about the Earth's core is that the Earth's core is hotter than the surface of the sun. Okay, so I could do that. I could also draw if I want to. And I could choose different colors. I could do thin like a pen. I could do a marker if I wanted to. So let's just say I could add here, and you only have to choose one of these things to do. But yeah, I know it's not perfect. If you have one of those pens that can write on the surface, that'd be better to use. And let's just say maybe I want to color the inside of the core, hot yellow color, and then maybe I could color here. I'm really rushing through this. You should take a little bit more time than I am taking. I just wanted to demo this for you really quickly. All right, and then I could say, I could draw I could put a text box here and say outer core. And I could do another text box here and say inner core. Wait, yeah, it was not there. What are you doing, Mr. Terry? Here's the inner core. Inner, oh, not all caps. Inner core. So there, I got them labeled. There's that. It's really kind of fun to mess around with this too. You can also add pictures. So I could use Google Photos. Oh, a URL. I could search. Let's see. Earth's core. Oh, well, I guess it looks like you have to have pictures saved. Okay. Google image search. There we go. Go on Google image search. So I type in Earth's layers, and don't just post any random picture without having some information about it, because you need to be writing or typing something or drawing something that you know about the Earth's layers. So if you do pick an image like that, you're definitely going to want to label it. So you're going to want to put in text boxes here that say things like maybe Earth's crust. So if you can show like what layers, what the names of each layer is, you could even get your pen and you could draw like a line showing where each layer is. Those are all options for you to do on this Google Jamboard, and I want everyone to contribute to the Jamboard. Everyone put a piece of information in, and make it your own. Please put it in your own words. Don't just copy what other people are doing. Make it unique and have fun with this. That's it. That's all I got for you. That's how you use Google Jamboard. And good luck with this assignment. Y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.